Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by timing precisely. Put 4 eggs into simmering water and set a 9-10 minute timer so yolks are firm but tender. While those cook, drop 2 medium potatoes into salted water and boil for 15-20 minutes so they hold shape. Once done, plunge eggs into an ice bath and drain potatoes. Peel the potatoes while warm to make dicing easier. Make sure to gather 3 tablespoons of mayo, 1 teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon vinegar, salt, pepper, and chopped herbs before assembling. You now focus on texture and seasoning. Dice warm potatoes into roughly 1/2 inch cubes so they stay distinct, and chop the eggs coarsely to give contrasting creaminess. In a bowl, whisk 3 tablespoons mayo with 1 teaspoon mustard and 1 teaspoon vinegar, then add 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Mix and taste. Adjust a little at a time because potatoes soak up flavor. Once your dressing is right, fold potatoes and eggs gently so you keep chunks rather than a puree. This preserves a pleasant mouthfeel. Finish by chilling the salad for about 30 minutes so flavors meld, and then garnish with chopped chives or parsley for brightness. If the salad becomes soggy, drain any excess liquid, gently blot with paper towel, and restore texture by folding in 1 tablespoon more mayo or a small amount of crushed potato. This corrects seasoning and consistency. Make sure to serve either room temperature or chilled and store in an airtight container for 3 to 4 days. Taste once more before serving in case you need a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.